How to delete your Betway account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can delete your Betway account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To delete your Betway account, just come to betway.com and make sure that you're logged in. It is actually a little bit different process to delete your Betway account, because directly from the settings or anywhere else you will not find the options, so we have to contact the customer support. So right here you can see support option over here. When you log in, click on support and you'll see the help button. Make sure to click on help. When you come to the help option, you'll be taken to the help page of Betway, where you can simply select any link over here, right? So let me just select this first link here. It doesn't really matter, I can just select any link. When I just select any link right over here, it will give me get in touch with us via live chat. So here you can see the live chat button, so make sure to click on the live chat button, and it says thanks for contacting us, you have reached us outside of operating hours, and agent will respond when we open. So currently they are not operating, but if they're operating in their working hours, a live agent is going to get in touch with you, and then you have to let them know that you would like to delete your Betway account. So you cannot do it yourself, you have to contact the live support and let them know you would like to delete it, and then they will delete the account for you. You can click on any article or link, just make sure to look for the live contact or the contact option over here. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.